Hello everyone, this is Nitish and we have started an initiative called Plum series, which is Prelims Level Up MCQ series. Here we discuss 5 MCQs daily and this will help you in your UPSC preparation. Today is episode number 116 and I am dealing with economics MCQ. Before starting this class, I would like you to please subscribe the channel and also like and comment on videos. These contents are free of cost, so for test series and foundation video, you can contact to Vysh sir on WhatsApp 7200 So let's begin. MCQ number 1 is: consider the following statement with reference to Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, that is MGNREGA. Statement number 1 is: Gram Sabha has the mandate to provide employment within 7 days of work application. The act currently covers the entire population of the country. The government mandatorily monitors whether a structure made has actually helped water conservation. Statement number 4 is: disbursement of wages has to be done on fortnight basis and not beyond a month in any case. So you have to tell the incorrect statement regarding MG Narega. So the statement option A are 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 4 only, 2 and 4 only, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I will provide you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option number D, which means that all the statements are incorrect. Now let's look at the explanation. The government of India has been running the world's largest employment guarantee program since 2005 under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It has been in implementation for more than 15 years and has delivered optimal results. So now let's discuss the statement one by one. That's why all the statements are incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect because Gram Panchayat has the mandate to provide employment within 15 days of work application. If it fails, the worker will get an unemployment allowances. But here it is mentioned 7 days. That's why the statement number 1 is incorrect because it is actually 15 days. Now, statement number 2 is incorrect because the act was notified in 200 districts in the first phase with effect from February 2nd, 2006 and subsequently extended. Thus, Narega, which is the previous version of MG Narega, covers the entire country with the expectation of districts that have a 100% urban population. But here it is written that the act currently covers the entire population of the country. That's why the statement number 2 is also incorrect. Statement number 3 is incorrect because the government does not monitor whether a structure has actually helped water conservation. Further, there is no government data on the impact on groundwater level, improvement in livelihood, etc. post the creation of the asset. That's why the statement number 3 is also incorrect one. The statement number 4 is incorrect because wages are to be paid according to Minimum Wages Act 1948 for agricultural laborers in the state unless the center notifies a wage rate which will not be less than rupees 60 per day. Equal wages will be provided to both men and women. That's why the statement number 4 is also incorrect one. That's why the correct option is D. MCQ number 2. The emerging market nations struggle to come out of the pandemic-induced economic crisis and can impact the developed world. It can negatively impact on the one who help others. Such impact on developed/well-off countries can be best termed as: statement option A, social impact; option B, Ricochet impact; option C, spillover impact; and option D is quantitative impact. So these all terms you should know that what are these impacts so that you can able to answer this question. And those who don't know, I will explain the correct meaning of the correct option. So I will provide you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. So the correct answer is ricochet impact. Now let's look at the explanation. IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, has warned of ricochet impact due to unequal global recovery. According to the International Monetary Fund, the emerging market nations struggle to move out of COVID-19 pandemic-induced economic crisis can hurt developed nations. It said the crisis has ricochet impact on the developed and advanced economies. Ricochet means rebound, bounce, or skip off from the surface, particularly in projectile cases. That's why the option B is the correct answer. MCQ number 3. In context of agriculture in India, consider the following statements. The area shown under Kharif crop has increased over the last 4 years. The total production of wheat in the country has been steadily increasing over the last 4 years. The total production of rice in the country has declined over the last 4 years. So you have to tell the correct statement. Option A, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 2 only, and 1, 2 and 3 only. I will provide you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option number A, which means that statement number 1 and statement number 2 are the correct statement. Now let's look at the explanation. Statement number 1 is correct because the area shown under Kharif crop have increased over the last 4 years, which is the statement number 1. Statement number 2 is also correct because total production of wheat in the country has been steadily increasing over the last 4 years, which is the statement number 2. That's why it is correct. And last statement is incorrect because the total production of rice in the country has been steadily increasing over the last 4 years. But here in third statement it has written that it has declined over the last 4 years. That's why the statement number 3 is incorrect. MCQ number 4. Which of the following statement regarding Pusa decomposer is correct? Statement 1. It is a capsule designed to convert paddy stubble into biomanure. It consists of bacteria-based liquid solution to soften hard stubble. The time required for the solution to work is around 3 days. It has been developed by Indian Agriculture Research Institute. So you have to tell the correct statement regarding the Pusa decomposer. Option A, 1 and 3 only, 1 and 4 only, 1, 2 and 3 only, and 2 and 4 only. So I will provide you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option number B, which means that statement number 1 and statement number 4 are correct regarding Pusa decomposer. Now let's look at the explanation. The government of India has taken several steps to spread awareness about the Pusa decomposer. This method rules out the need to burn the stubble. It also helps in retaining the essential microbes and nutrients in the soil that is otherwise damaged when the residue is burned. Now let's look at the statement. Statement 1 is correct because Pusa decomposer is a low-cost capsule that can convert paddy stubble into biomanure, which is the statement number 1. Now statement number 2 is incorrect because the capsule of Pusa decomposer consists of fungi-based liquid solution that can soften hard stubble to the extent that it can easily mix with the soil in the field to act as a compost. But here it is written that it consists of bacteria-based liquid solution to soften hard stubble. That's why the statement number 2 is the incorrect one. Statement number 3 is also incorrect because the window of time required for Pusa decomposer solution to work is around 20 to 25 days. Farmers argue that this window is too long for them. That's why the statement number 3 is incorrect. Statement number 4 is correct because Pusa decomposer technology has been developed by Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi. That's why the statement number 4 is the correct statement. The last MCQ of today's class, MCQ 5. Investor Education and Protection Fund recently seen in news is managed by option A, Security and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, Union Minister of Finance, and none of the above. I will provide you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. This question is framed from our current affairs. So try to answer this question and write it in the comment section. So its correct answer will be option number D, that is none of the above, which means that none of the institute have none of the institute is managed none of the institute has managed the investors education and protection fund. So now let's look at the solution. The investors education and protection fund is managed by IEPF authority, which means that investor education protection fund authority, which was set up in 2016 under the provisions of section 125 of the Companies Act 2013. Basically this topic or this institute is in news, that's why I frame the question according to it. The authority is entrusted with the responsibility of administration of investors education protection fund, which besides promoting awareness among investors, makes refunds of shares, unclaimed dividends, mature deposits and debentures and so on to rightful claimants. So that's all for today. Next episode will be tomorrow, so please subscribe and stay tuned.